Hi everyone, this is teacher Tianshi from Think Academy, and today we are going to talk about a very interesting and also important skill for solving equations. And first of all, let me tell you a very interesting joke. So why does teacher Tianshi throw the butter out of the window? And the answer is that because teacher Tianshi wants to see the butterfly. Okay, so actually the skill that we're going to talk about today is also called the butterfly method. And for example, for the butterfly method, we know that if we have a proportional equation, so for example, A divided by B equals to C divided by D. And in that case, we can times least common multiple on both sides of the equation. So we can get A divided by B times BD equals to C divided by D times BD. And then we can do the cancellation. So B and B, they cancel out each other. On the left side, we have AD. And on the right side, we just have BC. And in that case, we can get rid of the annoying fraction and we can get this equation, AD equals to BC. And this is the basic logic for the butterfly method. And here you can see that the cute apple is like doing the butterfly catching. And we know that like the numerator for the left part times the denominator for the right part equals to the numerator for the right part times the denominator for the left part. So basically, if we draw a butterfly around the two fractions, we can get the equation. So AD equals to BC. Okay, so this is a basic logic for the butterfly method, and then we are going to talk about 3 questions related to it. And the first one, so the first one is very easy. We know that 3x divided by 2 equals to 7 divided by 2. And what is the value for x? And we can do it. So the first step is to draw a butterfly around the two equations, right? And we know that 3x times 2 equals to 7 times 2, right? The products of the two like wings for the butterfly should be the same. And then we can cancel out the 2 here, and we know that 3x equals to 7, and the value for x should be 7 divided by 3. Okay, so this is for the first equation. We can just draw a butterfly and do the calculation. And for the second one, so we know that 10 divided by 3 equals to 5x divided by 6. And we can draw a butterfly as well. So 10 times 6 equals to 5x times 3, right? And then let's do the calculation. We can like cross cancel the 10 and 5 here, and we only have a 2 here. And then 3 and 6, we have a 2 here. So x equals to 2 times 2, which equals to 4. So x equals to 4 for the second question.